very warm good afternoon and a very heartfelt gratitude to all my children who are present here, to respected Dr. Rahul sir, Om sir, Vinay sir, all my teaching staff, all the helping staff. Thank you once again for being so supportive with everything I do. I cannot thank Rahul sir and Om sir enough for saying yes to every venture that we take forward. Generally, we do propose a vote of thanks at the end of the day, but I feel sir might be leaving early, so I'll propose the vote of thanks now. Teachers, children, nothing would have been possible without you, and the same goes for our helping and support staff. That is all the people who are working behind the scenes, getting these things together, getting this together. This is not a one-man show, children, and this cannot happen unless we all work as a team. So whether you're here today, whether you're outside in the big world tomorrow, understand teamwork is something which is very, very important to make something succeed. I would like to give a small message here, and that is the real message of Christmas. We've had such beautiful things said by Rahul sir regarding the colors of the Christmas. We've had Om sir show us how the way that we keep saying that there is unity and diversity when it comes to India. Children, this is what we Indians can be proud of. We celebrate every festival with equal homage, honor, everything. But I also want to mention, children, that the fact that Jesus, who we believe to be the Son of God, was born in a manger among animals in a stable with no riches around him, preaches the biggest message of humility. To be humble. Worldly pleasures, worldly wealth is yes important, because हमारे पास होगा तभी हम दूसरों को दे पाएंगे. Even to be generous, even to do charity, we need to have money. So of course money is important. But the point is to understand that money is something which you will not take with you. But be humble too, that today we have it. Because there is always a possibility that tomorrow we might not. So learn to value, learn to respect your education, your family, your teachers, the meals on your table, the animals and plants that you have around you. Learn to love, respect, appreciate and feel blessed कि वो सारी चीज़ें आपके पास हैं, और इस दुनिया में बहुत ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिनके पास वो चीज़ें नहीं हैं. So make the best use of it, value it and make sure that कल जब वो चीज़ें आपके पास in abundance हो, when it is with you in plenty, then you have the generosity to share it with those who do not have. Thank you, sir, so much for coming today. We can't tell you how happy we are, and on behalf of all my staff, children, and all the people working behind the scenes, thank you for everything that you do for us when you